So, hi students. Today topic is physical layer. You know, physical layer. In the we have totally 7 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. In these several layers, 7 layers OSI model of computer network. Okay, na? So totally 7 layers are there in computer. OSI model. So the physical layer or layer 1, the physical layer or layer 1 is the first and lowest layer. A physical layer is the first and lowest layer. So this layer may be implemented by PHY chip. So the physical layer provides an electrical, mechanical, and procedural interface to the transmission media. OSI model we have total 7 layers are there. In these 7 layers, physical layer is the first layer and the lowest layer. So what is physical layer? The lowest layer of the OSI references model is the physical layer. The lowest layer of the OSI reference model is the physical layer. So the physical layer, what is responsibility? It is responsible for the actual physical connection between the devices. Physical layer main response is connection between the physical connection between the two devices. One device to another device, physical connection. The it is responsible for the actual physical connection between the devices. So the physical layer contains information in the form of bits. The physical layer contains information in the form of bits. So bits means zeros and ones. So it is the responsible for transmitting individual bits. It is responsible for transmitting individual bits from one node to the next node. This is the one node, this is the another node, this is the another node. So transmit the bit information one node to another node. So when receiving data, this layer will get the signals received and convert into zeros and ones and send them to the data link layer, which will put the frame back together. Okay, na? When receiving data, this layer will get the signals received from zeros and ones and send them to the data link layer. Okay, na? So the function of the physical layers are mainly 4 types. First one is bit synchronization, bitrate control, physical topologies, transmission mode. So bit synchronization. So what is bit synchronization? The physical layer provides the synchronization of the bits by providing a clock. Okay, na? This clock controls both sender and receiving, thus providing synchronization a bit level. Okay, na? So what is bitrate control? The physical layer also defines the transmission rate. So therefore, the number of bits sent per second. So ఒక సెకండ్కి ఎన్ని బిట్స్ సెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేసేటప్పుడు. సో దాన్ని ఏమంటారు బిట్ రేట్ కంట్రోల్. ఫిజికల్ టోపాలజీస్. So what is physical topologies? Physical layer specifies the way in which the different devices or nodes are arranged in a network. Physical layer specifies the way in which the different devices, nodes are arranged in a network. అది హబ్స్ కావచ్చు, మోడెమ్స్ కావచ్చు, వీటన్నిటిని arranged in a network. Example, bus, star, or mesh topology. Next, transmission mode. So physical layer also defines the way in which the data flows between two connected devices. The various transmission modes possible are simplex, hub, duplex, and full duplex.